Welcome to the AI Plus UX Designer Certification Overview. This certification equips you with the knowledge and skills to harness the power of AI to create exceptional user experiences. Module 1 explores the core of AI, machine learning, and deep learning. Discover how AI is revolutionizing the design landscape, from generating creative ideas to optimizing user flows. Learn about the ethical implications of AI in design and build a strong foundation for responsible AI integration. In Module 2, we will explore a range of AI tools designed specifically for designers. Dive into generative AI, a powerful technique for creating innovative designs. Learn how to seamlessly integrate AI tools into your existing design workflow to boost efficiency and creativity. In Module 3, learn how AI can enhance your content strategy by providing valuable insights and automating tasks. Discover the potential of generative AI in creating engaging content. Master the art of integrating AI into your content workflow to optimize results and reach your target audience effectively. Uncover how AI can streamline user research by automating tasks and extracting valuable insights from data. In Module 4, learn advanced data analysis techniques powered by AI to uncover hidden patterns and inform design decisions. Understand the ethical considerations when using AI for user research to ensure data privacy. Unleash your visual creativity with AI-powered design tools. In Module 5, we will explore how AI can assist in generating design concepts, creating stunning visuals, and accelerating the prototyping process. Learn from real-world case studies to understand the practical application of AI in visual design. Discover how AI can create highly personalized user experiences tailored to individual preferences. In Module 6, learn practical implementation strategies for incorporating AI-driven personalization into your designs. Understand the challenges associated with personalization and explore effective solutions to overcome them. Module 7 will help you stay ahead of the curve by exploring the latest AI trends and their impact on UX/UI design. Prepare for the future by understanding emerging technologies and their potential applications. Grasp the ethical and societal implications of AI and design responsible solutions. In Module 8, learn how to strategically integrate AI into your existing design process to maximize its benefits. Overcome common challenges and build a strong foundation for AI adoption. Discover strategies for continuous improvement and optimization of your AI-powered designs. Embrace the future of design with AI and unlock endless possibilities. Visit our website and enroll in the AI Plus UX Designer certification today.